Hi, good evening everyone. So again we connected to discuss the important levels of the Nifty. What can be the upcoming levels of the Nifty? We discuss always into our evening video sessions. We discuss about the important indicators as volume, open interest and technical chart reading of the Nifty on day basis, weekly basis, daily basis, which is help us for the next trading day session to analyze the next level of the Nifty. So this basically this help us to identify the next upcoming levels into the Nifty. This is not about the 100%, but I would say this is the good practice which we do use on daily basis after market closing hours. So let's start this session. The overall crux of the market as per the today trading session, short run sideways now, buy on dip, sell on rise ka strategy should be continue, because what is market going on? Let's see into the day chart. See, market here open gap up today, right? Slightly gap up. It's not about 100 point, 80 point, 90 point. It was slightly open gap up today around 40 points. Then market pick up the rally to next 19,690. Market start the rally from 19,600 and it went up to 19,690 level. So it was the rally near about the 90 point into the Nifty. So again from the day high level, market behaves the same pattern, follow the same pattern as market followed in yesterday trading session and day before yesterday's trading session. The same way you can see here. यहाँ मार्केट ऊपर गया फिर नीचे, यहाँ मार्केट ऊपर गया फिर नीचे, यहाँ मार्केट ऊपर गया फिर नीचे. So we need to identify these basically I would say the kind of pattern of the market, and these pattern really helps us to identify the next level of the Nifty market. So the same pattern market was following from last 3 days, the same pattern if you can see here. Now I would say this is 200 EMA draw line, this is 50 EMA draw line, this is 20 EMA draw line. So 200 EMA draw line is, the Nifty is currently trading at more than above 200 EMA. So the meaning is the long run market is bullish. If I talk about 50 EMA and 20 EMA, 26 EMA, it means the market is short term is sideways. As of now, we had seen in last few trading session, market was going down continuously, and from last 2-day trading session, market is going up continuously. So the point is, now market is sideways, right? So what would be the next upcoming levels? Let's discuss about it. But before discussion of this, the major support we can see here 19,300, right? This is the major support level where we can start our buying when Nifty try to retest this level again. we can think here the market will be bounce back again from this level. So long run is bullish, short term is sideways as of now. As earlier we were discussing about the short term trend was bearish, completely bearish. So now if we talk about FII data, this is extremely, I would say, there is nothing to discuss here, because 90 crore net shell selling of the FIIs we can see here. So the data is completely negligence. So point is, I hope FIIs was not participated in today Nifty session, I would say, because यहाँ पे कुछ है ही नहीं है डिस्कस करने वाला, राइट. So again, if I talk about other indexes, Nifty, Bank Nifty 147 positive closed, Nifty mid cap 240 points positive closed, Nifty next 280 point positive closed. So all indexes closed positively today. This is the good sign for the next upcoming levels. We can see here market can again open gap up on coming Monday. Again open gap up. We can see here. Again, if I talk about supporting stocks to the indexes, Bajaj Finance, Bajaj Finserv, Titan Company, Infosys, ITC, they well performed today trading session. And if I talk about stock dragging indices, HUL, HDFC Bank, Asian Paints, Axis Bank, Bharti Airtel. So again I would request, जिनके पास भी ये स्टॉक्स पड़े हैं या प्रॉफिट बुकिंग का मौका मिल रहा है, they must be book their profits partially. I am not talking about fully, completely. I just would request here कि अगर आपके पास 50 शेयर पड़े हैं तो 10 बेचिए, 5 बेचिए, 15 बेचिए, बट प्रॉफिट बुकिंग ज़रूर कीजिए अगर आपको प्रॉफिट बुकिंग का मौका मिल रहा है, राइट. सो नाउ अगेन if I talk about the today volume, 33% minus from day yesterday. If I talk about open interest, minus 5%. नो डाउट वॉल्यूम काफ़ी ज़्यादा माइनस है, बट मोमेंटम जो है अगर आप देखेंगे तो वो काफ़ी मार्केट का पॉजिटिव रहा, लेकिन उसके अगेंस्ट अगर वॉल्यूम का हम परफॉर्मेंस देखें तो कहीं पे भी मैचिंग नहीं हो रहा है बुलिश ट्रेंड के लिए. सो दिस इज कंप्लीटली वाइस वर्सा, राइट, कि प्राइस बढ़ रहा है लेकिन वॉल्यूम घट रहा है. सो दिस कोरिलेशन कॉल्ड एज शॉर्ट टर्म weakness into the market, right. So again I want to highlight here that कि मार्केट में अभी एज ऑफ नाउ जैसा कि मैंने बात की साइडवेज मार्केट लग रहा है. सो बाय ऑन डिप सेल ऑन राइज का स्ट्रैटेजी इज द बेस्ट स्ट्रैटेजी इनटू द मार्केट. इफ आई विल शो यू, दिस इज बाय ऑन डिप सेल ऑन राइज, right. Or we had discussed yesterday for today trading session about if market open gap up, the next level would be higher side 19,650 and the lower level we can expect 19,520. So today market test 19,690, right. So the point is, the level what we had discussed yesterday evening videos, the level we can see here similar on higher side but not lower side. So let's talk about now next upcoming levels to coming Monday. First of all, I want to correct this date because 7th and 8th would be holiday. So this would be the 9th of October. So if market open gap down, what would be the next level we can expect here? Higher side. If market open gap down, if market open gap down, then we can expect here 19,520. Sorry, higher side. We are discussing here higher side. Lower side 19,520 and downside, higher side 19,650. If market open gap up, we can expect here 19,000, again 700, 19,600. If market open flat, जैसा कि आज की डेट में मार्केट में हो ही नहीं रहा है, मार्केट फ्लैट नहीं खुल रहा है, मार्केट कभी तो गैप अप खोल रहा है दे रहा है, कभी मार्केट गैप डाउन खोल दे रहा है. सो मार्केट ओपन फ्लैट की बात करना वैसे तो प्रैक्टिकली मार्केट में फिट नहीं बैठ रहा है, बिकॉज ट्रेंड इज कम्प्लीटली या तो बहुत ज़्यादा गैप अप के साथ खोल रहा है या गैप डाउन के साथ खोल रहा है मार्केट. एनीवेज, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट इट ऑल्सो. If market open flat, let's see once again today trading session levels. So this is the candle of today. Lower side 19,600, higher side 19,700. So again the level would be expected 19,600 and 700. So overall the crux is the market remaining can be 19,000 lower side, 19,600 lower side, 19,700 higher side. So this is the crux for today technical analysis. So this is all about today videos. This is all about today Nifty chart patterns. This is all about the indicators, volume, open interest and FII data. So hence I am just going to switch off this video session. Now we will connect again to coming Monday to discuss about the next upcoming levels of the Nifty. So keep learning, keep watching. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend. Thank you.